Before we begin, may I request everyone to please stand up and let us pray first. Will you please lead our prayer for today, Casey Lee?
Please bow your head and let us pray. Dear Jesus, show me to how to spend this day, sharing your love and everywhere. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love and have love someone. Shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy to smile on our face. Amen.
Please remain standing. Good morning, grade 4 Jacinto.
Good morning, Amina. Good morning, Ma'am Darlene. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you again.
Please remain standing. Is there anyone absent today? Class Secretary, Casey Lee, is there anyone absent for today?
The absent today is Mirabel and Mark Joseph.
Okay, thank you very much. To start our day lively and full of energy, we're going to sing math song. Do you know this song?
Oh!
It's great that you know this song. Let us all sing. Everybody sing. 1, 2, 3, begin.
M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math. M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math.
Thank you very much. You may now take your seat. But before anything else, I would like you to pick up those pieces of papers under your chairs. If none, we will now going to proceed. I have here our classroom rules. Always remember to always
Smile.
show me your face and show me your smile. Now I want you to look at your seatmates and show them your smile. Yes. Smile stands for, everybody read, S stands for, M stands for, I stands for, L stands for, and E stands for. That is our classroom rules. So always remember to smile. Now, I have here some analog clocks. All you have to do is say the time that is stated by its hand. Do you understand? If you really understand, clap once, clap twice, clap thrice. Okay, let's begin. What time is it? Very good. How about this one? Good job. It's 3:45. How about this one? Very good. It is 11:20. Another one. Brilliant. It's correct. It's 6:45. How about this one? The last one. Very good. It seems that you really know how to determine the time. Now, we will going to have first a short review before we proceed to our new topic. I have here an analog clock. Did you already saw an analog clock?
Yes. Yes.
Who has an analog clock in their home or in their house? Yes. Now, I have here some questions about this analog clock. What are the three hands? How many hands that this analog clock has? How many hands that this analog clock has? Yes, Yanel?
The analog clock have 3 hands.
Very good. This analog clock has 3 hands. What time is it now? In this analog clock?
10, 10,
Dana.
10,
Nice try. Who wants to help Dana? Gamer.
10, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is 10, 10. And what do you think are the smaller hands indicating? Any other hands? RJ. What do you think is the smaller hands indicating?
Hour.
It is indicating hour. Good job, RJ. How about the other black one, the longer one? Yes, Shamara.
Minutes.
It is indicating minutes. You're right. How about the red one, the thin red one? Yes, Blake. Yes, very good. It is indicating seconds. How many hours are there in one whole day? 8.
24 hours.
Very good. There are 24 hours in one whole day. How about how many hours that it takes for an analog clock to complete one whole day? Yes, Gira? Nice try. Who wants to help Gira? The question is, how many hours does an analog clock needs to complete one whole day?
12.
Yes, it needs 12 hours to complete one cycle. How many cycles does an analog clock needs to undergo one whole day? How many cycles? Yes, RJ?
2.
Yes, it needs 2 cycles to complete one whole day. You answer all of my questions correctly. Because of that, give yourself a fireworks clap. 1, 2, 3, begin.
2, 3.
Now, we will going to proceed to our next. I want to know, what time did you wake up earlier? Dianel, what time did you wake up?
I wake up in 5 o'clock.
Janelle, wake up 5 o'clock. How about the others? What time did you wake up? RR.
5:30 o'clock.
RR, wake up at 5:30 o'clock. How about you, J-Mark? What time did you wake up?
6 o'clock, mama.
J-Mark, wake up at 6 o'clock. Now, I want to ask you, who among you has a morning routine? Raise your hand. All of us has a morning routine. It is the thing we are doing every morning. And what are the examples of routine or activity that you are doing every morning? Daily meal.
Stretch.
Daily meal is doing stretching every morning. How about you, Dane? Dane is doing jogging every morning. Now, I want to share with you my morning routine. This is the thing that I am doing every morning. I usually wake up at 5:30 a.m. and eat my breakfast at 5:40 a.m. Check collect my things at 6 o'clock and take a bath at 6:10 a.m. And I will go to dress myself at 6:30 and go to school at 6:45. Now, it's your turn to share with me your morning routine. Who wants to share his or her morning routine? Shamara, will you please come in front and share your morning routine with us?
I wake up at 5:30 a.m. and I ate my breakfast at 6:45 p.m. a.m. and I take a bath at 6:46 a.m. and I dress myself at 6:56 a.m. and I go to school at 6:59 a.m.
Thank you, Shamara. Very good. Thank you for sharing. Let's give Shamara a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Very good, Shamara.
Thank you very much. Did you know that understanding the concept of time is essential for us? While you are still young, it is very, very important to know how to manage or to spend our time wisely. What do you think will happen if Shamara didn't manage her time wisely? For example, it is already 6:50 in the morning, but Shamara is still using her phone and not preparing to go to school. What do you think will happen to her? Benjamin. Her? What? Okay. We are going to be late. That is one of the consequences of not managing your time wisely or not spending it wisely. Now that you know the consequence, what do you think are the things you need to do to avoid that kind of habits? To avoid being late, what do you think you should gotta do? RR.
Be on time.
Be on time. Be mindful on the time. What else? What are the things you are doing to avoid being late? Shamara.
I'm still asleep.
What?
I'm still asleep.
Can you repeat your
I'm
answer?
staying asleep. Because I am asleep.
Who has another answer? Janet.
Don't stay sleeping.
Don't stay sleeping or wake up early to avoid being late. Did you understand it? It is important to manage our time well. Now, we will going to have a short activity. Boys, will you please read the direction on boys? Direction.
Read each statement and identify the missing word to make them correct.
We're going to identify the missing word. Please read first.
There are seconds in 1 minute.
Who wants to answer? Yes, Gio.
60 seconds.
Do you think Gio is correct?
Oh.
Let's see. Yes, Gio is correct. Let's give him very good clap. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Very good, Giro.
How about this one? Everybody read.
There are 9 minutes in 1 hour.
Who wants to answer? now is correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Yes, Yanel is correct. Let's give her very good clap.
Very good, Janet.
Another one. Everybody read louder.
There are hours in one day.
Who wants to answer? Yes, Jaron. Is Jaron correct?
No.
Okay, who has another answer? Jaymar.
There are 24 hours in one day.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Yes, there are 24 hours in one whole day. Let's give another very good clap to Jaymar. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Very good, Jaymar.
Since you already know this, we will going to proceed to our new topic. Based on all the activity that we are doing or we have done earlier, what do you think is our new topic? Do you have any idea? Mathematics. Yes, it is mathematics. Our subject for today is mathematics. Do you have any idea about our topic? Janet?
I think our topic today is about clock.
It is about clock. And to be specific, our topic for today is, everybody read. Again, Rowan, what is our topic for today? Converting units of time. Row 2, what is our topic for today? Row 3, what is our topic for today? Yes, thank you very much. Do you have any idea what is converting? Okay, if none, I will going to discuss. Will you please read the definition, Casey Dean?
It refers to changing the
Time express.
express in one unit to another unit.
Meaning, we are going to change time express to another unit. What are those units? Now we will going to study. Today, we will going to study only 3 units. And it is namely, everybody read. Yes, we will going to study first is 3 unit. Based on the definition, we are going to change 1 unit to another unit. Meaning, maybe hours to minutes, minutes to hours, or seconds to minutes, or minutes to second. For your better understanding, let us proceed to example number 1. Everybody read. We will going to convert first minutes to seconds. Meaning you are going to convert the minutes to seconds. We can answer it by asking question first. Ask yourself first, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? 6. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Therefore, how many minutes or how many seconds does there in 2 minutes? Yes, Ace.
120 seconds.
Do you think Ace is correct? Ace, how did you get your Guys, please stand up.
We are tends to bring 60 something. 2 times
Mean, very good. Meaning, the solution in answering this is we will going to
5.
multiply by 60 to get the answer. Do you think 2 times 60 is 120? Yes. Ace is correct. Let's see the complete answer. Everybody read. The answer is, let's give Jollibee clap to Ace. 1, 2, 3, begin. Okay. In solving this, we have rule. And this is the rule for solving minutes to seconds. Everybody read the rule. That is the rule in multiplying minutes to seconds. Always remember the rule because this is the way for you to answer the problem. It says that multiply the number, the 2 minutes, to 60 to get the answer. This is the solution. 2 times 60. That's why we came up with the answer of 120. Let's proceed to another example. Will you please read this example number 2? Again, is equal to last second. We will going to ask ourselves first, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? I am asking first, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? Can you see?
300 seconds.
I am asking first, how many seconds are there in 1 minute?
66.
60 seconds. Therefore, how many seconds are there in 5 minutes? 0.
202.
Is 0 correct? Who has another answer? Basically,
300 po.
how did you get your answer? Answer in English.
I multiply the 60 by 5.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. The solution in solving this is 5 times 60. What is the answer?
300.
Okay, let's see. Is Gracilyn correct? Okay, let's give Gracilyn a McDo clap. Okay, let's proceed to another one. Will you please write your answer, Gracilyn? In the black. Now we will going to proceed to next. We will going to convert hours to minutes. Everybody read.
3 hours equals 1 minute.
Again, 3 Do you agree with Ace? Okay, let's see. How did you get your answers? What? You multiply.
60 by 3 to 60.
Okay, let's see if that is correct. 3 times. Yes, Ace is correct. And this is the complete answer. Everybody read. Ace is correct. That's why let's give him ang galing-galing clap. 1, 2, 3, begin. This is the rule in converting hours to minutes. Dana, will you please read the rule? Yes, multiply the number of hours by 60. The number of hours is 3. And we're going to multiply it by 60 to get the answer. The answer is 180 minutes. Now, what did you notice on the operation that we use? Ace. We use multiplication as an operation in solving or in converting it. Remember that when you are converting larger unit to smaller unit, you will going to use multiplication to solve it. Hours is bigger than minutes. Larger unit, the hour is the larger unit and the minute is the smaller unit. That's why we will going to use multiplication as operation. Earlier in our example number 1, minutes to second, minutes is larger or smaller? Larger. 2 seconds. The second is smaller than minutes. That is why we use multiplication as operation. Now let's proceed to this example. I said that when we are converting larger unit to smaller unit, we will going to use multiplication. What do you think is the operation? When we are converting the smaller unit to larger unit, do you have any idea? Smaller unit to larger unit. Okay? If none, we will have example number 5 to determine what operation we will gonna use. First, everybody read the example problem. Again, repeat it louder. To solve this, we will, okay, wait, hands down. To solve this, we will going to ask first, how many minutes or how many seconds are there in 1 minute? How many seconds are there in 1 minute? RR.
60.
Yes, it has 60 seconds in 1 minute. Therefore, how many seconds are there in, how many minutes are there in 120 seconds? Jillian, 2 minutes. How did you get your answer? How did you get your answer? Is that correct? Who wants to help Jillian? this. Look at this example. We have here seconds and the unit minutes. Seconds is smaller than minutes. That's why we will going to use division as operation in solving this. Again, Jillian, what is your answer? Write your answer here. Let's find out if Jillian is correct. Everybody read. Is Jillian correct? Let's give Jillian ang galing-galing clap. Another example. Read and answer. Who wants to read first, everyone? Equals the first, ask yourself, how many seconds are there in 1 minute?
60 seconds.
Yes, it has 60 seconds. Therefore, how many minutes are there in 140 seconds? Shall I eat, Rafael?
4 minutes po.
Okay, write your answer here. How did you come up with 4 minutes? What is the operation you use? Division. You? What is the solution? What is the solution? Like this one.
240 divided by 60.
Yes, 240 divide 60. Very good. Let's see if Rafael is correct in his answer 4. The correct answer is, everybody read. Yes, Rafael is correct. Let's give him another ang galing-galing clap. And the rule in solving this is, girls, please read. Always remember our rule. In solving seconds to minutes, in converting it, we would use this rule. Divide the number of seconds, which is the 120 to 60. Did you get it? Do you have questions or clarification? None? Okay, let's proceed to another example problem. Now we're going to convert minutes to hours. Boys, everybody read.
180 minutes equal lang hour.
Who wants to try answering it? First, ask yourself, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? How many? Yes, Ace.
60 minutes.
It has 60 minutes in 1 hour. Therefore, how many minutes, how many hours are there in 180 minutes?
90.
Ma'am,
Jaron,
8 hours.
write your answer here. How did you come up with your answer, Jaron? How did you come up with your answer? What is the solution you use? Who wants to help? Jaron, Rafael.
I divide 180 divide 60.
Very good. You will going to divide the number of minutes by 60 to get the answer. Let's see if Jaron is correct. The complete answer is Jaron answer correct? Let's give Jaron a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, begin. In solving minutes to hours, we also have rule, and it is
Divide the number of minutes by 60.
we're going to divide the number of minutes, which is 180 to 60, to come up with the answer. Let's proceed to another example. Everybody read this.
360 minutes equals hours.
Who wants to try? IR, go here in front and write your answer. Okay, let's see. How did you come up with your answer? You divide 360 to 60. Very good. Let's see if your answer is correct. The complete answer is, please read. Everyone, please read. Again. Yes, there are 6 hours in 360 minutes. IR is correct. Give him a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, begin. Again, in solving larger unit to smaller unit, what operation are we going to use? Larger unit to smaller unit. What operation? Jayon. Okay, nice try. Who has another answer? Ace.
Division po, ma'am.
Is that correct? Who has another answer? Larger unit to smaller unit. Yes, we will going to use multiplication in solving larger unit to smaller unit. How about in solving smaller unit to larger unit? Yes, Janelle?
We're gonna use division.
Good job. We are going to use division in solving smaller unit to larger unit. Now, did you understand our discussion? Did you have any question and clarification about it? Okay, if none, we will going to have an activity to measure if you really understand our topic. Get one whole sheet of paper. If none, whole sheet of paper. If you have one whole sheet of paper, use it. If none, use your big notebook. Okay, eyes on TV. Are you ready for our activity? Are you ready? Ready na? Ready na? Okay, write your name. You will going to answer this activity and it is time pressure. First please read the direction, Nathaniel. Please read the direction. Rafael, read the direction.
Convert the following units.
Okay, we will going to convert the following units. You may now answer. Answer only. Go. If the time ended, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Mind your own paper. Answer only. Wait lang. Sorry. Continue answering. Eyes on your paper. You only have 30 seconds left. Okay, finish or not finish, pass your paper. At the count of 10, 1, pass your paper. Finish or not finish, pass it. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be quiet. Quiet. Keep all your things. Now I want to measure orally if you really learned for today. I am asking these questions. I want to measure what did you learn today. The first question is, settle down, grade 4, keep quiet. What is our topic for today? What it is all about? Who wants to answer? Ace. Start our topic. Nice try. Lionel, the title.
The title of our topic is Converting Units to Time.
Converting units of time. Next question is, what are the different units of time that we studied? The different units of time. Rafael, what is your answer? Yes, that the different units that we studied are seconds, minutes, and hours. How about this question? Who wants to answer? Everybody read. Zero. Is that correct? Nice try, Zero. Who has another answer? Yes, we will going to use the operation division. How about in converting larger units to smaller units? Lane. We're going to use multiplication as our operation in solving larger unit to smaller unit. How about, will you please share to me what is the importance of managing our time well? Any other hand? What is the importance of managing your time well or spending it well? Lionel, yes, that is one way to spend our time well. The importance of managing our time well is who wants to answer? What is the importance of managing our time well? It helps us to be productive every day. If we know how to manage our time, it will help us to be productive. Another question. What are the things you are doing to spend your time well? For example, you have a vacation, 1 week vacation. What are you gonna do to spend it well? We will going to, yes, Lionel? To always look at the time. It means that you should be aware of the time you are doing the activity. Congratulations, I am congratulating you for answering all of my questions. Because of that, give yourself fireworks clap. Now we will going to have a group activity. Please read the direction number 1, Casey Lynn.
The class will be divided
Problem. Brainstorm. Their members. Solve the problem. Direction number 3. We have 7 rounds, and each round, your board will rotate to another member. When you finish answering, raise your board and shout, "It's time." What you're going to shout?
It's time!
No shout, no point. And direction number 5, the faster the better, because only the first group will get only the first group that will get the correct answer will get a point. And the last is the group that gets the highest score will be our winner. This is the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Either come here in front and get your board. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Always remember that in group activity, collaboration is important. Teamwork is important. That's why I am encouraging all to participate in our group activity. First, the leader will going to answer, but all of the members should brainstorm with their leader. Is that clear?
Opo!
Are you all ready? Ready na? Ready na? Okay. For the problem number 1, convert 19 minutes to seconds. Minutes to seconds. 19 minutes to seconds. Collaborate with your groupmates. It's okay to stand up.
It's time!
What's your hand shout?
It's time.
What is your answer?
540 seconds.
It's wrong. What is your answer? What you're going to shout?
It's time!
What is your answer?
1,140.
Yes, it is correct. The answer is 1,140. Group 3 got the correct answer. Another problem. Convert 20 hours to minutes. 27 hours to minutes. Pass the board to another member. Pass the board. Group 3, pass the board to another member.
Ma'am, it's time. It's time.
To group 2,
1,200.
what is your answer?
1,200.
It is wrong. Group 1,
54.
it's wrong.
1,400.
Wrong. Larger unit to smaller unit. What is your answer? No, it's wrong. 27 hours to minutes. What is the rule in converting hours to minutes? We will going to use
Ma'am, ay. 7, ma'am, 7. Wait lang.
27 hours is equal to how many minutes? What you going? Yes. We have a call in answering. What is your answer? No, that's incorrect. Remember our rule. You are going to multiply 27 by by 27 multiplied by what is our solution? 16. Yes, that's right. What is your answer? No, that's incorrect. 27 multiplied by 60.
It's 2,820.
Incorrect.